Hi, my name is Kaley Hall. For my field trip, I visited the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. I brought my family along with me for the experience. While we were there, we participated in the nature and sea life evening cruise provided by Tarpon Bay Explorers, which included a guided nature tour by a certified naturalist. Her name was Corey. Corey guided our group through the touch tanks as well as the pontoon boat ride through Tarpon Bay's mangrove estuary. We chose this location due to its reputation for beauty and educational aspects. While observing the touch tanks, we saw so many organisms, including lightning whelks, king crown conchs, banded tulips, hermit crabs, common mud crabs, and horseshoe crabs. I found the horseshoe crabs to be very interesting because they aren't truly crabs. They are closer related to arachnids such as spiders and scorpions. They have been around for over 500 million years, and 4 different species of them currently exist. Horseshoe crabs have 5 pairs of legs which are jointed and a pair of pinchers which help it to eat sea worms and mollusks. They have a hard outer shell which is called an exoskeleton. Horseshoe crabs use their long tail as a rudder to help them steer, and they are mainly nocturnal creatures. During reproduction, females lay around 20,000 small green eggs, which are laid in the sand on the beach. Their blood is light blue and copper-based and is highly valuable and used in the pharmaceutical industry. They are essential to the ecosystem because many birds feed off of their eggs, and many species of fish feed on their larvae, and adult horseshoe crabs are a big part of sea turtles' diets. We also learned a great deal about red mangroves, which are critical to the ecosystem and are considered to be a primary producer. They provide shelter for many animals and birds through their dense root systems, and fall off from twigs and branches help to provide rich nutrients for other nearby marine ecosystems like coral reefs and seagrass. Red mangroves can be distinguished by their shiny pointy leaves which are green on both sides. Their root systems come out from the tree above the soil and water line depending on the ocean tides, and are often referred to as walking trees due to their appearance. Their propagills are live offspring which are considered baby trees that hang down from aerial roots and eventually fall off or reach the water. They can float up to a year before finding an ideal spot to drop their roots. All in all, it was a fantastic trip that taught us so much, and it truly changed my perception of our local marine environment by getting a more in-depth look at the systems and organisms working in real life.